A powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 5.6 hit the city of Malatya in eastern Turkey early this morning, causing massive destruction and leaving many residents in a state of shock. The earthquake struck at 5:23 a.m. local time, and its epicenter was located about 6 miles southeast of the city. The shaking was felt across the region and was followed by several aftershocks, with the strongest measuring 4.1 on the Richter scale. Multiple buildings have collapsed, including homes, offices, and businesses, trapping people inside. Rescue efforts are underway, with emergency services and volunteer groups working to search for survivors and pull people out of the rubble. The extent of the damage and the number of casualties are not yet clear. However, reports suggest that many people have been injured, and some are feared dead. Hospitals in the region are preparing to receive the injured.
Efendim başkan. Yukarı. Alana çıkalım lütfen.